say for the sake of argument, I wanted to put Revolve up there. What I would do is find it here, click on the three dots. I've heard that called the kebab button. I have no idea what it's supposed to be called. I've always called it an ellipsis. Sounds fancy. Pin it to the toolbar, and now it's up there on the Create toolbar. And I can take that and I can drag it where I want it to be, set it up any way I want. If I decide that was a bad idea, I could just go grab that, pull it off an empty space, and let it go. That's all you really need to do. Tweak it to your needs. Even change them as your design needs go along. Now, if you turn something off by mistake, go to the File drop down, go to View, and you can see how you can hide or show things like the browser.